318 South Medio Drive is an architecturally striking residence in the heart of Brentwood. Warm, natural tones and a modern aesthetic define the home, where clean lines and curated materials come together to create an elevated living experience. The main level offers a sleek, open layout, ideal for both everyday living and entertaining. A designer kitchen with state-of-the-art Miele appliances flows seamlessly into the living and dining areas. Floor-to-ceiling glass doors open to the landscaped backyard, where a pool, spa, and built-in barbecue provide a private setting for outdoor enjoyment. A rare feature of the property is the approximately 2,000 square foot entertainer's basement, complete with its own spa and flexible space for leisure, wellness, or relaxation. Upstairs, 3 spacious bedrooms are complemented by a refined primary suite featuring a fireplace, private terrace, dual spa-like bathrooms, and oversized walk-in closets. Throughout the home, high ceilings, abundant natural light, and sophisticated finishes add to the sense of understated luxury. With its architectural integrity, elevated amenities, and premier Brentwood location, just moments from the shops and restaurants along San Vicente Boulevard, 318 South Medio Drive offers an exceptional opportunity to live in one of Los Angeles' most sought-after neighborhoods.